So today me and I are trying this, but it has freeze-dried apples, freeze-dried strawberries, and Joyride, the watermelon things.
Which I'll combine them because.
Wait, first, what do you want to try?
I want to try strawberries.
Freeze-dried strawberry.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Well, we already like most of these, so. And then I want to try apple. Wait. Yeah.
Next, Joyride.
We've actually never tried these before. Okay,
Me neither.
3.
Wait.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa. Next we got.
Wait, do the ASMR. You gotta hit that.
Ooh, that's really good.
Ellie.
We have the Sherry Slush Alani. It's mini. Everyone says they're very good. It's white. Oh. Wait,
Is that our new monster?
no. Monster's very much better. That could be your new monster, but not mine. Never ever.
That could be mine, but
Never better than Monster. Let's go ice cubes, yep.
Go ice cube.
Yeah, we're not giving her our lunnies. I love you. Sing to me. Sing to me. Mommy, sing to me. Add all of them. Stupid.
How stupid. Stupid.
Do you want to try the
What?
spicy and? Let's see how the cookie is.
No, don't waste the spicy ones. Save the spicy ones.
No, we're gonna try both of them.
Ask your dad if we can try both.
Dad. 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 Can we try the spicy and the
I know.
Give me Joyride.
I'm looking to do ASMR while you cook, because you're my slave. Not just kidding, I'm not racist, I promise. Okay, she's a little bit racist, but ASMR. Not just kidding. ASMR. You're so rude with my ASMR noise hands. Why are you so nosy? Noisy, not nosy.
My bad.
It's my beautiful. That is my. They liked it.
Do some more. Do more when I cook. Keep doing your vlog. Go outside. Let's play, Mom. Let's play family.
I'm gonna show them the new trampoline cover. Okay, but oh, my bad.
Nana, you're the
Okay. Anyway, they got a new trampoline cover. Isn't it so beautiful? Well, let's take a jump on it, because why not? I'm looking really high right now, but it's still like stiff. I don't like this trampoline cover. my hair. Anyway, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go back inside because I'm a big bag. So. Can I have food?
Drink your Lonnie.
You should try another flavor. To Mom. I'm taking a break.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna take a. Ellie, it's popping the oil. I don't think that's how you. I don't think that's how you. Ellison, you're gonna melt the plastic.
Move.
Oh gosh. Oh well, I don't know. Oh, will it now? I don't think so. Maybe.
How you melt it?
Anyway, I'm just gonna like put. I'm scared it's gonna like pop on me. I'm just gonna like put you right here.
Where is the top?
You're supposed to keep it PG for children. Is that good? Can anybody see how it's cooking? Is it
We're trying spicy Korean pork pot stickers and chicken vegetable pot stickers.
You can see it. Chicken, vegetable pasta, and spicy. Did you do spicy or normal?
Spicy and normal.
Oh, you mix them together.
Just each. I need a cover. I need a top.
So I add the top.
Oh. I don't have a top.
I don't know. Not you actually knowing. Not you actually knowing how to cook.
Not.
I don't know how to cook even pot stickers, but you are.
I need a bigger one.
It's fine. It's all gonna fit under there. It's fine.
No, it's not.
That's fine. Oh. Wait, calm down.
Yeah, because I added water to it.
Oh. It starts popping.
You want to raise the heat?
I'm kind of like leaving out your joy idea.
And then after, we'll stir fry. To make them crisp. This is just for heat right now, to make them soft. When you... First, what is it called?
Do you want me to put your shoulders in here?
Yeah. First, I fried it. That's my mistake. But here, when you first stir fry it, that just makes it crispy. It barely produces any heat to your food. So,
Why are you teaching them how to cook? This ain't no cooking channel.
so this is how you provide heat, and this is how it cooks.
So actually
This
put it in the
doesn't toast it. Yes, put it in that drawer. And the Lonnie's. I need the cover, but we don't have a cover.
I'm just gonna like toss them. But not actually toss them. I'm actually put them anywhere.
Yeah.
Oh.
Improvise.
Guys, well, I'm sure it don't look nice like that, but even if it does, we're sort of like already done it, so like, and we'll already be done by the time we see this video.
This is the sauce packet.
Are you posting this?
Wow.
Huh?
Cooked that. You see that?
Are you posting it?
Looks like spider webs. Yes, I'm posting this.
Oh, I said some tweeting this out on the camera. Maybe you should.
I'm gonna post it.
Not sure. Say anything.
Right here.
Post it in the movie.
I don't know why I stir fried this. Just place it in there, my bad.
Ellie, you're gonna ruin the pot stickers by melting the plastic.
It doesn't melt it, it just cools it down. Now I go down. After a few seconds.
Chicken banana. Chicken banana.
After you left it in
Banana.
for like 2 minutes, turn this off. Now you want to drain the water.
Oh, that's hot. I don't like that. Where do I put this? Where do I put it? Where?
In that tan / white. I didn't really drain it good, but
Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Do I put that on YouTube?
yeah. We're gonna leave it for like 30 seconds again.
Look how cool this Mount Blue looks, Ellie.
No, they changed the logo.
Look, it looks normal on the box. Look. Guys, it looks normal like a... Okay, maybe don't do it. Like normal Mountain Dew, watch. It has the thing, but then the cans look like this. Oh. And I'm a dog, and
I'll just air fry the rest to make it look crispy.
Yeah. For a minute, I thought you were cooking those dogs, and I was like, why are you cooking so much? I realized the dog. I was like, do you really think that? Does it matter, Ellie? Does it matter if it's like that?
Yeah. No, it doesn't. It doesn't matter.
Oh. Wait, it doesn't?
It doesn't matter.
Oh. That's like coffee. Did Emma respond?
No.
Okay, I'm just gonna spread it out everywhere.
Dishes. Okay, now.
Ellie,
Yeah. What?